Welcome to an updated Costco favorites. We buy so much of our weekly, daily staples at Costco now. Household stuff, produce, snacks, kid stuff, frozen stuff, all that stuff. This is one of, if not my favorite frozen pizza. Life-changingly good. Bradley has turned me into a strip kind of bitch.
Can we open them right now?
Well, do it quicker.
Keep talking.
One of my very favorite Costco things in the whole world are their croissants. Okay, Grandpa, he told us that the cocks, I say cocks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My husband is around to be in this video. That's why I just walked by. There's something in my eye. But hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to an updated Costco favorites. My husband and I, did this back before children. Were we married? I don't know if we were married at that point, but it was a while ago nonetheless. And we buy so much more of our weekly, daily staples at Costco now.
A kid will do that.
A kid will do that. So the kid, but also we like more stuff from Costco. Here's my husband. This is Bradley. You okay?
I'm great.
Okay. So we just got back from Costco. We pretty much needed to stock up on a lot of our faves, but I also pulled out some other stuff just to give you like our absolute Costco faves, must-haves, things we always have on hand, things we pick up most times we go. So yeah, I hope you find that interesting. I love Costco. I love watching Costco hauls, reels, TikToks. I just love it. And also we have pretty much every category. So like household stuff, produce, snacks, kid stuff, frozen stuff, all that stuff. So let's start with produce. We'll buy like, if we're there and we need berries, we'll buy berries there. But the two things that I always buy when I'm there are, number one, they're Hass avocados. These are the greatest avocados of life. You just have to trust me. You get a pack of 6, I think for $6. It's like $5.99. They are so good. So what we do is we take 2 of them, put them in the fruit bowl to ripen up, and put the other 4 in the fridge, like drawer. Once we use those, we will take 2 more out. The fridge just kind of slows the ripening process, and so it lasts a little bit longer for us. They are delicious. They make the most delicious guacamole, and so I always buy them. And then the other thing I always buy, we had a bit of a casualty in the parking lot with these, but the organic, could you be quiet? The organic Magnifico tomatoes are they taste insanely good. They are the best tomato I've ever had in my life. I wonder, like, they're grape tomatoes. So I should try and grow like grape tomatoes, but these are so good. I will always buy them. I will say Aldi carries these tomatoes, this brand, in a smaller version. You don't have to get like the full thing. I keep my tomatoes in the fridge. I know people are like 50-50 on that. I keep them in the fridge and they last for like a month. So we will use most of these, if not all. And that's it for the produce. Let's move on to condiments. First thing we are always stocking up on are the Rouse 2-packs. You get 2. These are bigger jars than you get in a normal market like Target or Vons or whatever, but you get 2 of them. I think for like $11. Like, it's an insane deal. And this is the greatest marinara sauce you'll ever try. Like, this stuff is so good that I don't find the need to make my own. Like, it wouldn't be worth the trouble because this is so good. The ingredients are good, the price is right, shelf stable, and it's just the absolute best. I use it in everything. We love the Kirkland organic maple syrup. We used to use the Trader Joe's ones. That one was good too. But we just have started using this and we love it. We use up the whole thing before it goes bad. We always have one on back stock. I use it in like baking things, but mostly for like pancake and waffle Saturday mornings. But yeah, this stuff is so good and pretty affordable for a huge organic, actual real maple syrup. This is a new fave, but I am so happy they had it today and it was on hella sale. I also want to say my nails are atrocious, so don't look at them. This is the original Japanese barbecue sauce. This stuff is incredible. If you've tried the soyaki sauce from Trader Joe's, it's very similar to that, but it doesn't have the sesame seeds, and I can be weird about sesame seeds.
I like the sesame seeds and soyaki.
So you prefer soyaki over this?
You're like replacing soyaki with this. I didn't need a replacement.
I love this stuff. It is so good. We do get our olive oil there. What is it? The extra virgin Italian?
It's gotta be Italian.
The Italian one. What you want with olive oil apparently is for it to come from one location, and that one from Costco does. I'll put in a picture of the one that we prefer, but we also get the Chosen Foods avocado oil stuff, so just the normal avocado oil. This is what we use on a daily basis for cooking, like in a pan. It doesn't have any taste, which is nice, and then we also get the Chosen Foods avocado spray oil for greasing a pan or eggs or whatever. It just comes in handy. I've also seen this at Aldi as well. For frozen items, this was certainly in our last video, the Sattler's got me addicted to these. These are the El Monterey chicken and cheese taquitos. They do have these at normal grocery stores, but they have beans in them, and I hate beans. These do not have beans. These are so good. I do them a little over than what they say because I like them a little crispy, but they're so good. We'll dip them in salsa. We'll whip up some avocado or some guacamole with them, dip it in that. These are a household staple. Bradley eats these all the time, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're good for lunch. They're good for late night dinner.
Yeah. This is a kind of newer one, not within like the last year, but like to my Costco life. But this is the Kirkland Signature Supreme Cauliflower Crust Pizza. It's a 2-pack in here. This cauliflower crust or not is one of, if not my favorite frozen pizza. It tastes incredible. You get sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, which I love. You get peppers. I pick off the zucchini because I don't like zucchini, but it is so tasty and so good. This is like a super staple in our house. A lot of times we have Freezer Friday where we use something out of the freezer, and a lot of times it's this. Whip up a salad on the side and delish. I got a couple sweet treat options for you. This is a brand new favorite, but this is like life-changingly good. I talked about it in my latest, not my latest vlog, but in a recent vlog, we tried this together. I'll link it up in the corner. I finished the bag within a week. Like, these are incredible. The caramel s'mores clusters, you can kind of see them there, but they have chocolate, caramel, graham crackers, and marshmallows. So it's like a s'more with the added benefit of caramel. These are incredible. And they're only 100 calories each, which I thought was pretty good because they're pretty sizable. And they're kind of like intense, so like you'd probably be good with one and done. But if you see these at your Costco, try them because I promise you they'll change your life. I also love these. I saw a lot of other moms talking about how their toddlers loved these as well as they loved them. These are the Heavenly Hunks Organic Oatmeal Dark Chocolate. They're kind of like cookies, but not. They're more oatmeal-y. I was hesitant about this because I'm not huge into dark chocolate. It doesn't taste like dark chocolate at all. To me, it just tastes like chocolate. Milo loves them. I think they have coconut oil in them or something, because to me, yeah, they do. They taste coconutty, which I like. These are just really, really good. They're nice for like a sweet treat, but not a total like junk food sweet treat. And again, I feel good giving them to my toddler, and they're organic, which is a plus. Now for some snacks. This is also a toddler favorite. Milo loves these, but so do I. I love to make homemade tzatziki. Kind of feel like I've mastered it, which I am going to show you in a video, so just stay tuned for that. But these little Stonefire non-dippers, these are so expensive in a normal market, but you get this big old thing, I think for $6 at Costco. And we'll eat through it a little bit, and then once it gets towards the expiration date, I will freeze them. And these freeze really, really nicely. I just kind of lay them flat on top of each other. You kind of like take out what you need or take out a bunch at a time, just kind of leave them out at room temperature and they'll just thaw up really nicely, or you can heat them up. Even when they're not frozen, I like to warm them up a little bit to dip in the tzatziki. It is delicious. And like I said, my toddler loves them to dip in tzatziki or to eat plain. Everybody in this house loves these, so every time they have them, I pick them up. These are our favorite tortilla These are our favorite tortilla chips of choice, the tortilla strips. Bradley has turned me into a strip kind of bitch. I now, when they're round or a triangle, like I just wish it was a strip.
Can we open them right now?
Yeah. Super Bowl's coming up this weekend, so we got it. Although even when we aren't having a party, you can open it.
It's not
So, well, do it quicker.
Keep talking.
I was gonna say, we always pick it up when we're having a party and we're having chips and guac, but we also pick it up even when we're not, because we will, Bradley mostly, will eat through this whole thing. For bread, one of my very favorite Costco things in the whole world are their croissants. They are delicious. The greatest croissants you'll ever have, besides probably in France, but like these are so good and they last for a few days. Like it's not like they get stale right away. They don't last a whole long time, but they do last for a few days. We can get through them. Between me, Bradley, and Milo, we eat through these before they get stale, so it works out. And one time we didn't, and what did you make? You made like...
Bread pudding.
Oh, I thought you made croutons with these. Now for some kid favorites. We live off of the That's It bars. I talk about these all the time, but they are incredible, and especially for on the go because they come individually wrapped. And there's no nasty ingredients in them. There's only 2 ingredients, and it's apple plus the flavor. So either apple strawberry, apple mango, apple blueberry. Milo loves all 3. I've eaten them. Like the mango one is my favorite. They're delicious. Super easy to throw in the bag for on the go. Like when we go to Disneyland, I put like 3 in there. Supermarket, he gets one. And we have a trip coming up. We're gonna take an entire bag of these with us in our checked bag because we need them. My son also runs on these Kirkland organic applesauces. He loves them. He calls them green. He has the green sauce and then the orange sauce, which is like the apple mango or apple carrot from Trader Joe's. He asks for green orange. He gets one of each, and it's a snack. He loves it. We go through a lot of these. He loves them so much. I love them because they're organic, no sugar added, and they're pretty affordable. They have like the Go-Go Squeeze ones, which they do have some like other flavors in that variety pack, but it is, I think, like $5 cheaper, and it just is so affordable. Another kid, toddler, child favorite we totally love are the Amara yogurt smoothie melts. Now this flavor is new to our store. This is raspberry carrot. Before that, for like a year, we used to buy the mango ones, which I love the mango ones. I prefer the mango ones, but he will eat whichever ones. And again, really good ingredients. The only ingredients in these are organic mango, organic coconut milk, organic carrot, and organic lemon juice, and that's it. And same for these. Organic apple, organic coconut milk, organic carrot, organic lemon juice, and organic raspberry. And like I said, he'll eat either one. This box comes with 4 of these. They are a little bit pricey even at Costco, but it's a wholesome organic snack that he loves, and so I'm fine paying the price for it. Again, when we're headed out for the whole day, like at the zoo or Disneyland, I'll just throw a whole thing. I pretty much have a bag in the diaper bag at all times just for snacking wherever we are. Now for the more boring things, we get a lot of household staples, one of them being the
Trash bags.
trash bags.
This has 200 bags in it.
Somebody, like we saw a video or somebody told us that the the Costco trash bags are like, what's up? I don't know, but we listened to somebody, we bought it, and we've never turned back. They are great, last you forever. And what is this, like $13?
A little more? 16?
It's something crazy.
Like that?
And I just love
200
that.
bags a year?
Yeah, I love that, like, we just know we have bags. We make the mental note when we see we're running low. Next Costco trip, we buy them, but other than that, we don't have to worry about it, and I love that. We also get all of our paper products, so paper towels, toilet paper, tissues. I used to not be a tissue kind of person, but now with like a family and a house.
I've made you become a tortilla strip person and a tissue person.
Well, and with like a baby, you just gotta have the tissues.
But you used to just rip off a piece of toilet paper to blow your nose.
I
now,
did.
Isn't it nice?
It is. My nose is spoiled now, and I enjoy it. What else do we get? Oh, we got diapers. In the beginning, we're using Whole Foods diapers, which I don't even know why we were. I think we got a plethora of packs for the newborn, and I just preferred those, so I kept buying them until we finally decided to try the Costco ones. They really are the most cost effective. And again, I love that you're picking up like a big bulk pack and you don't have to worry about it for a month or two.
That's Costco.
That's Costco. The quality of the diapers we also really enjoy. They're not like organic or what I would prefer. I just unhooked my bra. Did you find my bra strap?
Are you okay?
I accidentally unhooked it. I still wear my postpartum bras if you're curious. Oh, hold on though. We buy all of our meat there. Today we got flank steak because we're having flank steak tonight and I'm very excited about it. We get our chicken there. If we're not trying to be too frugal, we'll get the organic, but if we're running tight on money, we will just get the normal chicken. We don't get it often, but recently we got their organic ground beef. The only meat we don't get is ground turkey, which we get from Costco, but like if Bradley's wanting to barbecue something or smoke something fancy,
Like I looked at pulled pork, pork shoulder to get there today, and it is very it's very cheap, but it's also a lot.
Yeah. The flank steak, how many pieces did you cut it up into?
4 meals.
Yeah, and so we freeze,
For $50.
obviously what we're not using, and it's delicious. My favorite from Costco, we've gotten tri-tip.
Tri-tip.
But I prefer the flank steak, it's so good.
Christmas, we made a beef tenderloin last year, I bought it there.
Ooh, also, I think is it all the time or just at Thanksgiving? They have like just a turkey breast already cooked. So if it's just
all
like,
the time.
Oh, okay. So it's all the time. We love to get that if we want like a turkey dinner, but don't want to cook a full turkey. I also meant to mention we get our Kirkland unsalted butter there. They haven't had it the last few times that we have gotten it, but for baking.
It's not Kirkland. It's.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Not Kirkland. Other K. Kerrygold. So they have like the gold packaging, which is salted, the silver one, which is unsalted, and we predominantly use it for baking. Is that all we would use it for? Your eggs in the morning?
Eggs, potatoes. I'd use butter and everything now.
Sorry. You don't use the tub for that, or you just get out the sticks?
I get out the sticks.
Okay. So, but we can, when they don't have it, we can get them at Trader Joe's. So, but I forgot to say that. But other than that, I think that is it. Did you love this video? Tell us down below. Do you want to see our dog?
Oh,
there he is.
Just turned 4.
He's a beast. He did just turn 4. He just had a birthday. He's such a good boy. Sometimes if they have a nice dog bed at Costco, we'll buy that for him. But, oh my God.
We bought him dog toys there.
Yes.
The Kirkland alcohol line.
Yes.
Dogka. Oh, it had like
it had the Costco
card
card.
in it.
Those were super cute. Look how
This
happy
is your
he
thumbnail.
was. Oh my god. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. Would love to know your Costco must-haves down below because there is so much. There's so much in all the aisles. It's also a store that's hard to try new things because you never know if you're gonna like them or not. So I would love to know your favorites, your input, what you think I'd like. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you very soon in a new video. If you want more grocery hauls, I have a whole playlist. I will link it up in the corner. But other than that, we're gonna go put all this away and we'll see you next time. Bye. Wanna say goodbye?
Bye.
I'd talk to you like Milo.
Bye.
You wanna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.